Hello everyone, March the 5th. Alright, just finished work. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Let's just get this done. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do another one today. Minimum length of string after deleting similar ends. Given the string consisting only of characters A, B, and C, you are asked to apply the following algorithm on the string any number of times. Pick a non-empty prefix where all the characters in the prefix are equal. Pick a non-empty suffix where all the characters are equal. The prefix suffix should not intersect at any index. The characters from the prefix and suffix must be the same. Delete both of them. Return the minimum length of s after performing the above operation any number of times. So in this we cannot do. In this we can do prefix and suffix. Prefix, suffix, prefix, suffix. How about the last? Take a prefix and suffix. So the prefix must be all equal, and the suffix must be all equal, and then they have to be all equal. Which means this is we can remove this. Now we have B, this, right? And then we have CCA. In CCA, we can no longer remove. Okay, so what do you think? Stat 2 pointer, right? So we just keep counting on the left. Keep counting on the left, and then we count on the right. Well, we're gonna check if both sides are the same. If they're the same, then we start counting in. If they're not the same, then we cannot do anything, right? So okay, we're counting on the left, and then we're counting on the left until we either reach the right or we hit a value, a thing that's different. Right now I count on the right, same thing, and then we go, and then we keep going. Okay, so that seems to be not too bad. So what we're gonna do is int I 0, j is start size, not length. Okay, and then we say while I is smaller than j. Okay, if s.char at I is not equal to s.char at j, okay, then in that case I just return what do we return? Remaining length. So I say j minus I plus 1. Okay, otherwise we can go, and then we basically just move one of them forward, right? We say while I is smaller than j and s.char at interesting, maybe I should go and I plus 1. Okay, so I plus 1 smaller than j. It cannot be equal to j because so I plus 1 cannot be equal to j. So while this is equal to s.char at I plus 1, I plus plus, right? So we keep going until a point either we can now go or these two are not the same. And then we do the same thing for j. So while we say j minus 1 is larger than I, and s.char at j is equal to s.char at j minus 1, then j minus minus. So keep going, keep going, keep going until we cannot go. Right, until we cannot go. So this is like the total amount we can remove, right? We can remove. So once we hit that, the next one is going to be I plus plus and j minus minus. Right, so they keep moving, and then at a certain point, cannot move anymore. And j is the same. J minus 1 need to be larger than I. All right, so they cannot move. Once they cannot move, then they will keep going. So j will actually be smaller than I if you think about it, right? Yeah, j will actually be smaller than I. If j is smaller than I, then it will return 0. So yeah, after we do that, I plus plus and j minus minus one more time. Once we're done, we're gonna return j minus I plus 1. Okay. Let's see, does it work? Edge case. Okay, these considered like edge case. Okay, looks about good. So call it 2 pointers, right? Is there a faster method than this? Alright, pretty good today. So yeah, like I said, I'm only gonna do one. Tired, I still need to eat. Still haven't eaten yet. Yeah. I think you did too many checks. Okay, I think you did too many checks, so we can actually do while they are the same. Yeah, I can actually do this. All right. The same. Don't need to do this. And this one should work. Oh, it didn't work. Oh, equal to. Now I roll all this. We do all this. Yeah. You think he'll make it faster? I don't think so. Yeah, it's the same. Alright, that's alright. Okay, we're done. We're done. I'm not doing this one. We still save this for some other time. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.